When we hurt people, we break their lives. Try it. Say sorry to the plant. Say sorry to the person. Even if you mean it, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You can never bring back the broken leaves. It's difficult to bring back the broken self when you hurt that person, when you hurt your loved one. Dahil mahirap, anong gagawin? Pabayaan mo na lang. Just separate. But the question is that the answer so that the plant or the person can heal, can recover? You have to take care of it. You have to tend to it. Most of our wounds are internal, emotional, psychological, and spiritual. Pero kung ang Diyos natin, si Jesus, siyang sinusundan natin, pag tayo ay nasaktan, anong sinasabi niya? Forgive. Not only once, infinitely, 70 times 7. Pag merong nakakasakit sa atin, lalong-lalo na yung pinakamalapit sa atin, ano pang abilin niya? Pray. Continue to love. Tandaan natin that God is a God of second chances. And not even second chances. Third, fourth, fifth, seventh, infinite chances.